Okay, students, in this video I am going to explain example 2.34, which is same model like finding the all the values or cube roots for whatever it means. The procedure is same. Okay, students, solve the equation. Solve the equation or find all the values of z. Same answer. Okay, since the power is 3, 3 values you are going to get. Now z cube plus 8 is 0. Then z cube is equal to this plus 8 you bring that side, then it becomes minus side, minus 8. Now z cube is equal to this minus 8, I can write it as 8 into minus 8. Correct only now. So what is z means, this 3 will come here as 1 by 3 because it is z power n here 1 by n. Okay. Now this 1 by 3 is present for both the terms. Not only for 8 but also for minus I. So that means what? It is like AB whole to the power of m. Nothing but A to the power of m, B to the power of m. Now A to the power of 1 by 3 minus I whole power 1 by 3. So 8 means I can write 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. So that next step, this 3 gets cancelled. But what about this one? The 4 steps I already told. And the procedure படி மீதி எல்லாம் எடுக்கணும். அந்த ரெண்டு வந்துட்டே இருக்கும் every stepல. Okay. Now minus I told the polar form for minus I. Cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2. Okay. Suppose it is I means what? Plus will come. Okay. Similarly for 0 also for pi minus 1 also I told cos pi plus I sin pi. This is minus 1 polar form. Similarly, cos 0 plus I sin 0, 1 would a polar form. Okay, I told you remember all these 4. Okay, so minus I means cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2 whole power 1 by 3. So this is your first step. Express this complex number in polar form. That's what I told while explaining the steps also. Now this is a power n whole power n, a power mn, 3 gets cancelled, 2 will come. Okay. So first step is finished up to this. Now what about the second step? Add 2k pi to the argument. So this is the argument theta. For this you must add 2k pi. So cos of 2k pi plus pi by 2 minus I sin of 2k pi plus pi by 2 whole power 1 by 3. Now I can take the LCM now. This is not third step, just LCM step, that's it. Now 2 is LCM, 4k pi plus pi by 2. So 4k pi plus pi by 2 minus I into sin of 4k pi plus pi by 2 whole power 1 by 3. So up to this second step I finished. Students, this is the first step, polar form step. Okay, next step is adding 2k pi to argument. Next step also same thing, just a simplification. So 2 steps I finished. Now what about the third step? Third step is bringing the power, this 1 by 3 inside this angle. So that it becomes 6 because 1 by 2 is already there into 1 by 3, so 1 by 6. So here you must write a 6. So apply De Moivre's theorem. Okay, students. So that step we will see now. Third step. Okay, third step onwards we will see. So now what is that step now? So here it becomes what? 2 into, if you apply De Moivre's theorem, cos 4k pi plus pi, okay, whole divided by 6. Cos 4k pi plus pi. Similarly, plus I minus I into sin of 4k pi plus pi, okay, divided by 6. So this is applying De Moivre's theorem. Thus k is equal to, substitute 1, 2, 3 because they given z cube plus 8. So n value is up to k value is up to n minus 1. So 0, 1, 2, that's it. Because n minus 1 is 3 minus 1, 2. So for each and every value of k we will get the z value. Okay, so k is equal to 0. What is z? 2 into now 0 if you substitute 4 into 0, 0 only, no? So 2 into cos pi by 6 minus I sin pi by 6. Now 2 into what is cos pi by 6? Cos 30 degrees. What is cos 30 degrees? Root 3 by 2 minus I into sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. Now if you take LCM here, 2 is the LCM, root 3 minus I, 2 gets cancelled. So one value is root 3 minus I. Okay students, so what about the second value and third value? That we will see now. Now second value, k is equal to 1, z is equal to 2 into, we substitute k as 1. 4 into 1, 4, 4 pi plus 5, 5 pi by 6. So cos 5 pi by 6 minus I into sin of 5 pi by 6. Same value, no? So 5 pi by 6, how will you convert in the known value? Pi minus pi by 6. See, இங்க numerator கம்மியா இருக்கு. அதனால நீங்க சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா வரும். அதிகமா இருந்தா பிளஸ் பண்ணா வரும். Okay? So 2 into cos of pi minus pi by 6, I can write it here. Minus I into sin of pi minus pi by 6. So what is cos of pi minus theta? Which quadrant? That is second quadrant, negative. So minus cos theta. So 2 into minus cos pi by 6 minus, this is second quadrant, sin positive. So sin pi by 6. Okay students, you understand or not here? Here pi minus theta, even multiple of 90. So second quadrant. Second quadrant la cos negative, all are k caps. But sin positive. In the minus sign முன்னாடி இருக்கிற sign தான். Okay. So sin pi by 6. And now it becomes what? 2 into, again same thing. This is a negative, we'll get no. So minus root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 2 I can take LCM, no? Minus root 3 minus 1. Sorry, minus I. Because I also there, no? Minus I. So minus I. Cancel. It becomes minus root 3 minus I. So this is your second value students. So one more value also you must find when k is equal to 2. Okay. So first value finished, second value finished. Now we are going to see the third value student. So third value. So what is your third value here? So now when k is equal to, when k is equal to 2. So what is our third value? 2 into, here it is a 9 pi, because 4 into 2, 8 pi plus 5, cos 9 pi by 6 plus I, sorry, minus I sin, minus I sin 9 pi by 6. Okay, so 9 pi by 6 means 3 table you can cancel, no? 3 pi by 2. So 2 into cos 3 pi by 2 minus I sin 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 means 270 degrees. Okay, how will you write that one? Pi plus pi by 2. Pi plus pi by 2. Because I can write 3 pi as 2 pi plus pi by 2. So if you separate split panna enna varum? 2 pi by 2 pi plus pi by 2. Okay, so if it is more value, no, then you should add. So 2 into cos of pi plus pi by 2. புரியுதா? numerator அதிகமா இருந்த denominator plus பண்ணா உங்களுக்கு வரும். Okay, minus I into sin of pi plus pi by 2. And now both are in which quadrants? 180 plus theta, third quadrant. Third quadrant cos negative or positive? Negative. So minus cos pi by 2 minus I into, this is also negative. So minus and minus plus, sin pi by 2. So 2 into, this is minus 0 plus I into 1. So this is nothing but 2 into I. Answer is 2I. So all the three values we got. So this is the same procedure we followed. Only thing is that 8 is extra. So 8 we can write it as 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. So the 3 gets cancelled. And other things are all same 4 steps only. but the simplification step you should be very careful. Same 4 steps means minus I cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2. Adding 2k pi to the argument. Then you have to take the LCM, simplify, apply de Moivre's theorem. Then 6 will come here. After that you know the procedure. 0 means you substitute k value 0. Then you will get cos pi by 6 minus I sin pi by 6. K value 1 cos pi by 6 pi minus pi by 6 plus minus I sin pi minus pi by 6. When k is equal to 2, it becomes cos 9 pi by 6. So 9 pi by 6 means 3 table you can cancel, no? 3 pi by 2. So pi plus pi by 2, the third quadrant. So this quadrant you should remember, you must remember, because you studied in 11th standard. Very, very, very important. So minus cos pi by 2 because third quadrant. This is also minus because third quadrant, minus here it is. So minus into minus plus. So cos pi by 2 0, sin pi by 2 1, I into 1 I. So 2i. That's it, students. All the three values we got. What is the first value? Root 3 minus I. This is the first value I think we got. Second value minus root 3 minus I. Third value 2i. Okay. So same model only. There is no difference at all. Okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share to your friends also, students. Okay. Next video we'll see the next problem. Okay. Bye.